I'm now at the Irish airport in North Sinai province in Egypt. This morning we left from Cairo at about 6 o'clock, and after 6 hours trip, and now we are here at the Irish airport. This airport is the last stop for receiving aid, humanitarian aid from world countries and organizations before aid goes into Gaza Strip. And now let's take a look how this aid can be uploaded on the trucks before they go to Gaza Strip.
والتأكيد على التغليف ومطابقتها المواصفات حتى يتم مرورها بسهولة من المعبر الإسرائيلي إلى المعبر.
I'm now at the Egyptian side of the Rafah border crossing, and as we can see, there are a few trucks loading with aid. They are landing and waiting for crossing the border and heading to Gaza Strip.
This is the only door for passing all the items, and preparing the items to be sent through this gate is one of the hardest things that we have to do. You have to prepare them to be ready to be sent due to or upon request. This is upon the request on the other side. Now we have 3 main to be provided, mainly the food and non-food items and the medications. This is the top needed now due to the situation. Minute after minute the situation changes from a time to time, as they say, so we are ready for providing everything.
I'm now at the Irish hospital in North Sinai province. Just now we came from the Rafah border crossing and the Irish airport. And now let's take a look at how the hospital is going around.
We already received more than 70 cases. And around 40 cases cure or care, and now we have about 32 patients still in the hospital. The patient already triaged in the cross borders, and they distributed for the hospitals. And when the patient come here, we assist the patient in the emergency rooms, and then we can put the patient according to the cases and severity in the wards or in the ICU. Then we make another assessment to the patient for the operations.